Hello everyone, and in this video we are going to study about how we can model the prefabricated stairs in the 3ds Max. 3ds Max gives us prefabricated 4 types of stair that we can use. You must have to go into command panel, and first of all we are going to select this create, then we have the geometry, then we'll click this drop down menu in which we are having stairs. Okay, the standard extended primitives and the doors, windows we have learned already. Now we'll click stairs. You can draw it in any view. I'll select the perspective view and I'll click LW to make it full scale. We are having 4 options here, that is straight stair, L type, U type, and spiral. I'll select straight stair. Now if I click and drag, it will ask me for the length. After giving it length, release the mouse. Then it will ask us for the width. Then click wherever you want, whatever width you want. Then after that it will ask for the height. If you go down, the stair will go down. If you move your mouse up, it will move up. You can click anywhere you want and it will give you the stairs. Now it is having types, that is open. Stairs will be open from the bottom, close, the stringers will be closed, and for the box it will have a box. Now it is asking for if you need stringers or not. Okay, so you can take it from here. We are having an option for handrails, that is left, right, left, wherever you want. It is quite often that sometimes the railing is only on one side. Okay, so it is quite often you can adjust it from here. Okay, so this is how this thing works. We are having a total length change, right? A total of width change can be done from here. Now we are having an important factor here, that is the riser count and riser height and the overall height. One of the things from these 3 must have to be locked. Okay, so the pin in the front of this riser count is right now blue. That means it is pinned, it is fixed, it can't be changed. You can only change these 2 things. Okay, so this is the thumb rule for making the stairs quite economic. So you can pin any one of this. You can pin the overall, or you can pin the riser height, you can go over anything. Okay, so this is about the basic parameters. Then if you all go to carriage, we are having a carriage parameters. Then railings, we are having railing parameter, how much height you need. Okay, and use it from here, whatever the height you need. The offset will be like the involves. Okay, what segment you need, I have already told you, the more segments, the more detailed will be the structure. So if I decrease the segments, it will be quite, railings will be in the triangular form, then polygon. Then if I increase it, it will be in circular. So right now it is in circular, that is good for us. It is asking for the radius, you can give it radius. Okay, so this is as simple as that. Now if you go to stringers, we are having the stringer steps. Stringers are these solid parts at the end of the stairs. You can increase their depth, we can increase their width. Okay, we can increase their offset. So we can play with this options. Now we'll go to L type. If I click it, it will go in a direction. After releasing mouse, it will ask me for the perpendicular direction because it is L type. So we can go either right or left. Let's say I'll go right and I click wherever I want, then it will ask us for the height. If I move my mouse up, it will ask, the stair will go up. If I move my mouse down, the stairs will go down. Let's say I go up and I'm clicking. So the stringers, carriages are already ticked. In your case, it is quite, it can be quite different, that the stringers and carriage are not by default selected. So just select it and you can change its option from the bottom. If you go it down, it is having carriage and stringers option. The same options are there. The only difference is that in L type it is asking for 2 types of length, that is L1 and L2. So you can increase their lengths, L1 and L2. Okay, the width is there. Now we can go on to make another stair, that is, let's say U type. Okay, the U type will be like this. If you click it, I go on YouTube, it will ask me for length, then it will ask me for the width. You can give the width, then it will ask us for the length. Okay, it will look like this, and the same options are there. Okay, and now at last, if you go to spiral, it will first ask me for the radius, then it will ask me for the height. It will look like this. You can change its width and all from here. You can select if it is a counterclockwise or clockwise. You can increase its width. Okay, let's say I give it a width of 1.5. Okay, it is not giving 1.5 because the radius is totally 1.5. If I increase the radius, let's say I increase the radius to 4, if the radius increase to 3, then I can manipulate all this. Okay, You can go for the riser count. Okay, you can increase the risers if you want. It will go like this. Okay, so this is how the stairs can be manipulated in 3ds Max. It requires quite a lot of attention because every project has a different need of stairs. Okay, then it is having a central pole. If you can increase the central pole radius, you can do it. You can increase the segment for the more detailing. You can also play with the stringers railing option if you have selected it in the starting menu, in the parameters menu. Okay, so this was all about Stair. Try it yourself and experiment with yourself that which one you can do it perfectly. These are quite very fast way of drawing stairs in our projects. Okay, so I hope you like the video. If you have any query, please do ask me in the comments, and please do subscribe my channel.